Your phone screen glows with a video of a famous talk show host revealing a weight loss secret that sounds way too good to be true. You see her mouth moving, and you hear her voice. She is talking about some magic gelatin trick that supposedly melts away fat while you sleep. It looks real at first glance because the lighting is right and the voice has that familiar rasp. But something feels slightly hollow about the whole thing. This is the new frontier of digital deception, often labeled as Gelatine Sculpt. We are seeing a massive wave of these advertisements flooding social media feeds lately. They use sophisticated artificial intelligence to hijack the likenesses of people like Kelly Clarkson and medical experts like Jennifer Ashton. These ads claim that a simple gelatin-based supplement or recipe can trigger rapid weight loss without any effort at all. It is a bold promise designed to bypass your critical thinking. They want you to believe that the health industry has been hiding a simple kitchen ingredient from you for decades. Look at the reality of how these videos are actually manufactured. Scammers take real footage from past interviews or television appearances. They use deepfake software to sync new audio to the celebrity's lip movements. They even clone the celebrity's voice using just a few minutes of high-quality audio samples. The result is a convincing but entirely manufactured endorsement. Kelly Clarkson never sat down to tell you that gelatin is the key to her health transformation. Dr. Bus. Ashton never authorized her medical credibility to be used for this specific product. This is a classic bait-and-switch tactic. They lure you in with a familiar face and a miracle claim. Then they direct you to a sketchy website to collect your credit card information. There is zero scientific evidence that gelatin by itself acts as a metabolic furnace for belly fat. Gelatin is just protein derived from collagen. It might be fine for your hair or nails, but is not a magical fat-melting compound. The marketing patterns here match every other viral supplement scam we have seen in the last few years. They use high-pressure tactics. They use fake urgency. They use unverified testimonials. If a product claims to do the work of a gym and a clean diet through a single jiggly ingredient, it is time to walk away. These companies rely on the fact that we are all looking for a shortcut. They weaponize our desire for health and our trust in public figures. You have to be your own detective in this digital age. Watch the way the mouth moves in those videos and listen for the strange robotic inflections in the speech. Check the official social media accounts of the celebrities mentioned. You will find that none of them are actually talking about this stuff. Don't let a clever algorithm separate you from your hard-earned money. Real health changes happen through consistency and proven methods. They do not happen because of a secret gelatin sculpture or a fake endorsement from a pop star. Stay skeptical. Keep your guard up whenever a miracle cure pops up in your feed. This product is a massive red flag in a sea of digital noise. It is better to rely on science than a computer-generated video.